Medical gadgets have saved and eased human lives for the past decades. Let's find out together some medical gadgets that could change our world. Asthenia is the gadget that monitors asthmatic symptoms. This technology captures your breathing pattern as well as the dripping of air as you breathe deeply. Asthenia examines your breathing patterns to determine whether you have asthma. It is also beneficial for managing therapy depending on the patient's current circumstances. The patient puts the device near their nose and breathes normally. The device records the data and transmits it to the mobile software, which processes it accordingly to its parameters and requirements. This monitor is an excellent device for small clinics that cannot afford to buy DNA testing equipment. This tiny device, controlled by a smartphone app, transforms into a potent DNA-based illness diagnosis tool. It employs the quantitative polymerase chain reaction instantaneously. Kraft Smith, the CEO and founder of the company, was the inventor behind designing the electronic stethoscope ThinkLabs 1. The company claims it is the smallest and powerful stethoscope in the healthcare industry, with over 100 times amplification compared to a typical acoustic stethoscope. Since it has a standard headphone jack, small off-the-shelf Bluetooth transmitters can be used to connect to it and beam auscultation sounds from the patient to the doctor's headphones. During the ongoing pandemic, the two can stay at a distance from each other while the physician guides the patient where to position the park-like stethoscope on the body, all while wearing headphones and listening to the results. A new device has just been unveiled by Pulse & More and is really firm, that allows patients to perform ultrasound examine themselves and share the results immediately with their sonographers or physicians. The device is docked for a smartphone, the button being the ultrasound transducer. An app on the smartphone provides training and guidance to the patient so that the scan is performed to achieve high-quality results. Captured images are then shared with the patient's clinical team, and those can be used to guide further decisions. Leaf is a self-sterilizing, transparent N99 Plus mask. Leaf's cells is made of optical grade, soft, fire-retardant, reusable, self-defogging, and UV-proof silicone. Leaf comes in different transparent, translucent, and solid colors with 3 variants: HEPA, UV, and Pro. Leaf HEPA is coupled with U-series HEPA filtration, known as the gold standard of HEPA filtration, as small as 0.3 micron, with 99.9997% filtration. Leaf UV is high-performance content UVC sterilization built into the rechargeable filter housing, destroying pathogens at DNA level at light speed, and active carbon filtration to eliminate odors and organic substances, while Leaf Pro adds active ventilation and air quality sensing. Leaf Pro actively senses uses metabolism, particle count on included air manager, smartphone app, which automatically commands on the sterilization and ventilation system. Thanks for watching until the end of the video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And also, if you have any interesting gadgets you would like to share with me, please write down your comments. And see you next time. Bye bye.